In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume sync in OneDrive using just a few simple steps. This process can be really handy when you want to temporarily halt syncing, whether it's to conserve bandwidth or to prevent unexpected file changes during a critical work session. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to locate the OneDrive Cloud icon on your computer. This is typically found in the system tray if you're on Windows, or in your Finder or menu bar if you're using a Mac. The icon looks like a small white or blue cloud, and you'll want to make sure it's visible before proceeding. If it isn't, you might need to click on an arrow or menu to expand the icons in your system tray. Once you've spotted the OneDrive icon, go ahead and give it a click. This action will open up a small menu or window related to OneDrive. From here, what you want to do next is locate and select the settings option. Typically, this will be found in a drop-down menu or as a tab within the window you just opened. Clicking settings is crucial because it leads you to where you can control various OneDrive functionalities. After opening the settings, you should see an option that says pause syncing. This feature is key to stopping your files from being continuously updated and uploaded to the cloud. Go ahead and click pause syncing, and you'll then be prompted to select a duration for how long you'd prefer to pause the syncing. Usually you can choose a time frame such as 2 hours, 8 hours, or even 24 hours, depending on your needs. If you find that you want to stop syncing altogether for the time being, another option you have is to click quit OneDrive. Choosing this will completely halt all syncing activities until you decide to reopen the application again. This can be especially useful if you're experiencing any system slowdowns or connectivity issues, and need to ensure that OneDrive isn't accessing the internet in the background. Remember, once you're ready to resume syncing, you can easily repeat these steps to navigate back to the OneDrive icon, open settings, and turn syncing back on or reopen the application. Pausing and resuming sync is a breeze once you know where to find these options, and it provides great flexibility in managing your files and system resources efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful, and it sheds more light on how to effectively manage OneDrive's syncing features to suit your personal or professional needs. Thank you for watching,